Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your E39 door sill. As you can see, the chrome areas have been fallen off and the plastic has been ripped. Therefore, I will be replacing it. To replace the door sill, you'll need to remove the plastic trim on top of the door sill. To remove the trim, you'll need to use a screwdriver or your hand to push the trim towards the interior. Now this was hard for me as I was holding the camera in one hand and trying to remove the trim with the other, but if you're using two hands, it's an easy job. There are 3 clips holding the plastic trim. Now once you've removed the trim, you could remove the door sill by just pulling it up and getting it out your way. Now to remove the door sill, just push it up with your hands as only clips are holding it. If the clips didn't come out with the seal, then try removing it with a screwdriver or clips puller tool. Now time to put the new one in. Now before placing your new one, you will need to put the clips on. There is a slot where you just have to slide it in. Unfortunately, the end clip on my one was broken. This is not a big deal as I will be using a double-sided tape to stick it on. When you're putting the new seal, make sure you place the clips at the correct area, which are the small holes, and slightly push it so the clips are clipped in. Now put the door seal and the plastic trims. And you have now replaced your door seal. If you've liked my video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.